Hi, I'm Nmami Agarwal, founder at Nmami Life. I'm a nutritionist and today I'm going to tell you which food item is healthier. Well, for me, thumbs up for both. Let's understand, curd is made from curdling process and yogurt is made from bacterial fermentation. Curd has one live bacteria, whereas yogurt, it contains minimum of 2 live bacteria. Both good for gut, both are probiotics. So whichever is easily available, go for it. But make sure that you do not add artificial flavor to it. Natural flavor, fruits, nuts is okay. Well, both are root vegetables. Calorie values are same, nutritional values are almost same. Sweet potato, it contains more vitamin A and C, and the difference lies in the appearance and taste. So sweet potato, the flesh of sweet potato is orange in color. If you ask me, I like the taste of sweet potato more. So for me, sweet potato. Both are carbs, both are whole grain. Dalia is wheat and oats is generally a grain which is also known as jay in Hindi. So oats is good for someone who is gluten sensitive, and dalia is also high in fiber, so it's good for digestion. Oats contains complex carbs, makes you feel full for longer period of time. So yes, both are rich in nutrients, so you can consume in different ways. Well, if you ask me, one full egg. Egg whites contain more protein and egg yolk contain calcium, iron, B6, B12, vitamin A, D, E, K. 93% of iron of whole egg is in yolk and 90% of calcium of whole egg is in yolk again. So if you ask me, I would say one full egg instead of just egg white or just yolk. Both are good source of animal protein. They both make a complete protein source, which means they contain 9 amino acids. Well, chicken is high in protein and fish is high in omega-3 fatty acids. One concern when we eat chicken, now commercially grown chicken is generally fed with antibiotics and growth hormones. So make sure to consume organically grown chicken. And one concern with seafood is the mercury. So low mercury fish could be salmon or catfish. Well, protein are the nutrients that body uses to build new enzyme, muscle tissue, hormones, and found in each and every cell of the body. Correct? Now, soy protein is made from soya bean and whey protein is made from cow's milk. So I would say both are a complete source of protein. If someone is lactose intolerant, soy protein is a better option because it's vegan friendly and does not contain lactose. Well, white meat is classified as poultry, chicken, and red meat is beef or pork. So red meat has high fat content and it also has bad cholesterol, saturated fats, while poultry is rich in protein and low in fat content. So I would say white meat.